Primetime News this evening. KSMC confirms breaches at Estate Bridge Holdings Limited Beverly Hills development. Stolen vehicle of slain veteran journalist recovered. And a teacher charged with sexual-related offences involving a student.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, VM Investments is seeking to raise $5.4 billion. The new bond offer opens tomorrow. And guess what else is happening tomorrow? Gas prices are going up. Those stories a little later on in the business day.
And to tell us what's going on in sports, Jermaine Brown is here with a preview.
Thanks, Giovanni. The West Indies men, yet another defeat to Bangladesh. But the West Indies women could right that wrong when they face India in their series decider tomorrow. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
It always takes a woman. And with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast, here's Romain.
Thanks, Janella. Over the next few days, we do have drier conditions. We're expecting sunny skies in the morning across sections of the west, but we still have some isolated showers in the morning across sections of Portland and St. Mary over the next couple of days.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, do you prefer in-store shopping or online? Please give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.